you? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing Fashom. It's a little bit different than Fashom boxes I've done in the past. If you're not familiar, Fashom is a styling service. So you pay a fee, they send you a box of curated items that a stylist thinks you will like. What you like, you keep and pay for. What you don't want, you send back. But it's a little bit different this go round because this is a mystery box. So right now, actually only for the next few weeks, Fashom is doing 5 items for $55, a flat fee, and you get to keep every single item. Do you know how hard it was for me to not open this box? All I did was slice it. I have not peeked. I have no idea what is in this box, and I am so excited. I love mystery boxes. Y'all love mystery boxes. So we're gonna open this and try everything on together. I've been doing Fashom hauls for years. I will leave a link down below if you want to grab one of these boxes. Again, 5 items, $55, you keep them all. Now, Fashom is experimenting with a little bit different kind of box. So 4 to 6 items worth over $200 for $95. Again, a flat fee, and you get to keep everything in the box. So I'll leave a link down below. They actually sent me a survey link because they wanted to know how you felt about it. So I'll leave the survey link in the description box down below. If you take the survey, then you're entered to win a $25 Amazon gift card from Fashom. It's all linked down below. Fashom does, in my experience here, and I've done a lot of styling boxes and mystery boxes, the most affordable, the most bang for your buck, pieces that I'll actually wear. You can't beat the 55 bucks. So I have high hopes. Let's try it all on. I'm trying to get creative so that we can open it together. Proof. Oh my gosh, look. I haven't even broken the seal. You're seeing it before I am because that viewfinder on that camera is so small. Today is Eclipse Day. Side note, I'm filming this right at the time where my part of town, my city anyways, should be experiencing it, I guess. And I just literally said, why is it so dark in here? And now's the time. Let's open this little baggie. I did bring the top item in the box, but let's open this first. It's a necklace, gold chain, little blue pendant on the end. This is cute. I'm into these like chunkier pendant style necklaces, and you could easily tighten it. So if you didn't want it long, you could wear it short. First clothing item we have, is this a jumpsuit? A blue floral. Y'all know, okay, I'm so into this print. I almost kept a blue jumpsuit just like this recently, and I didn't because it was a little bit too pricey. Do you know how happy I am right now? Okay, wait a minute. This is so cute. Brand is Gilly? I can never remember that brand. In a size 2X. It's a wrap style at the top. I just put on a strapless bra. The little spaghetti straps are adjustable. This is sewn here, so it's just a little tie here. It doesn't actually like open. It does open, but it doesn't come apart here. It's a smidge snug here, but I don't mind it. It does have pockets. It's cropped with like a wider leg. This is definitely super spring, summer. You could do sandals, you could do white sneakers, you could do little heels. I like the little pink detail, like the blush colored floral. Here we are from the back. I like this. It's so stretchy. I feel like first piece we're doing pretty good. It is a little bit tight, but I did go in right before I ordered this box and changed my sizes. Before, I think I had 3X for like dresses and jumpsuits, and I felt like they were a little bit big. So while this one may be a little bit snug, it's very comfortable. I'd probably just wear a bralette with it because it is a little bit low here. You could even get away with like a bandeau bra or something. Yeah, I think it's cute. The longer I wear it, the more I like it. I love this print. The navy with the floral I think is so pretty, and I'm surprised that it was the first thing only because as much as I've been loving this print and really this style lately, I didn't even ask for this, and they put it in my box. You get what I'm saying? Like, we're thinking alike, and I'm not mad about it. Next piece we have is this teal floral dress. Same brand, Gilly, in a size 2X. Is it a dress? Okay, I thought maybe it was a romper. I love this color for spring. I think this is really pretty. I might like this better than the first one. The color, the style, this like gathered fabric up here I think is so pretty. It does have a little clasp hook here because the top is a wrap style. Ruffly type sleeves I think is cute. It does tie all the way around. And then I think the length is really, really nice. From the back, this is the exact same fabric as the jumpsuit that I was just wearing. This is perfect for spring. A sunny day, you're going to brunch, you need a cute church dress. I do think it's work appropriate. You have this little hook option here. I think this is so pretty. This would be cute with white sneakers too. Sandals, heels, all of the above. I like this. Oh, what about my mom's birthday? We're going on a little lunch brunch, I think, type thing for her birthday, this would be so pretty. Also Mother's Day. Easter's already passed, but I'm trying to think of all the different holidays you can wear this for. I like this vibe of it. It feels very spring, very pretty. Yeah, and I think the size is good on this one. I really like this. I love how it cinches in right here and has, again, all of this like gathered fabric here. I think is really, really pretty. But that would be interesting to find out how much my box was worth versus the $55 that it cost to get the box. Now Fashom did gift me the box for this video, but still I can't stress enough, $55 is a steal. I love this one. This is my favorite thing so far. Last two pieces in the box I'm going to pair together because I have bottoms and a top. This is the first time I'm looking at these, obviously. I didn't look at it before we stood here and talked about it. I love a faux leather like legging style. Brand is Black Tape in a USA size 2X. And then our top is the brand Nina Parker in a 2X. It's a bodysuit. Oh, I love this peachy color. Bodysuit is a thong style bodysuit. It hooks all the way on me and it is tall enough. I don't have pulling here or in the snap enclosure area. It's a good fit for plus size and I'm so excited for that. They're a little bit big in the waist, but that makes them very comfortable because they're snug where they're supposed to be, but not super snug here. And I kind of love that. They're also a soft material on the inside, so I don't feel like they would stick to me and make me sweat throughout the day. I'm obsessed with the bodysuit. I'm so impressed with it that, number one, it fits me properly. I love this peachy color. It could go with so many different things. Oh, it's higher in the back. Like I mentioned, it's not pulling anywhere. It is like a more snug, fitted, ribbed bodysuit. And I feel like it's thick enough too, like you can't see through it. This is such a nice piece. Here's a close-up look at it. It kind of matches my skin tone pretty well. I wonder if I could get away with wearing this under like an open button-down shirt would be really pretty, or if I had something that was slightly see-through, could I wear the bodysuit under it? Because then you don't have a tank that's rolling up while you're trying to show your outer outfit, your inside outfit's rolling up. That would be so nice. All right, I'm not mad about this. A quick little unboxing for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, 5 for $55. I will leave a link down below. It's all yours. You get to keep everything. I like the idea of a mystery box. I think it's fun. I love that the items come in my size, like actual plus size. The fabrics are really lightweight and soft for the warmer weather. I appreciate that. My favorite is the dress. I think it's such a pretty color and fit. I like the jumpsuit too. I think it's just a little bit too snug, but I could easily fix that with maybe like some high-waisted compression underwear or something. So I'm keeping it. I mean, I own it, but I will be wearing it is what I'm trying to say. This bodysuit, I think I could get away with styling it so many different ways. These type bottoms, I tend to just do this with like an oversized graphic tee and sandals or sneakers. So I'm happy to add another pair of these to my collection. I don't own this brand, by the way. So I like that these are a little bit looser on those days that I don't want anything too snug or to feel like too sucked in, I guess. So I like that I have the option of another pair. And don't forget about the necklace. Let's put it on and see if I can. Oh, it has a little heart charm. Can you see that right there? Let's see if I can make it shorter how I want. Okay, yeah, like that. That's probably the length, even a little bit shorter, that I would go with, and that's not on the longest option. So I'd probably wear it like this. But again, that's not the longest option. It would probably come down to here. But it's a cute piece. And like I said, I've been looking for something similar. These like chunky styles are really trendy right now and I really like it. So that's it. That's a wrap. Don't forget the link in the description box. Fashom just wants to know, hey, we have this idea. How do people that like to shop for plus size clothes feel about it? So click it. Don't forget, you have the chance to win a $25 gift card from Amazon from Fashom. A link to get the 5 for $55 box is down below. What were your favorite pieces? Mine's gonna be the dress and the bodysuit. This would be cute with white denim shorts, with even denim shorts and like white sneakers, like a casual but very comfortable outfit. Oh, I like it. Okay, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Thank you to Fashom for gifting that box to me and letting me talk about for a minute how much I love Fashom. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.